Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to view threads only from the people that you follow in the Threads app. So click on the Threads app. If you have not updated the Threads app, then you need to update it from the Play Store or the App Store. Now once you are here on the home page, then you need to click on the two horizontal lines that you see at the top left hand corner. So if I click here, now there are two options, for you and the following. So for you, that right now what you are seeing is the for you, so it totally depends on your history. Okay, now if I click here again, then click on the following option. Now it will start showing you the threads from the people that you follow, people or the channels or the websites. Okay, it will only show all the threads, replies or whatever is there from the people that you follow. This is how easily you can do it. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos just like this. Thank you.